Welcome back to the channel, guys. Listen, just a little bit of creativity that I want to share with you this afternoon. So I had a need and I needed to fill it, and this need encompassed both my hobby of CNC machining as well as my RC hobby. So I've had a need to be able to operate the RC car, or any RC car that I've got, one-handed, but that wheel is just too far away for me to operate the trigger and the wheel by itself, so I have to do it two-handed. Well, if I wanted to do anything with a camera with this hand, well, that's out of the question. So I went ahead and designed something that I've actually seen something similar on the market, but I wanted to do it in my version, my take. So I designed something up in my CAD program, and I've got a little thumb steer that attaches to my wheel. We'll run this through the 3D view, and I'll show you the tool paths as they cut out. And I threw my name in there just for the heck of it. All right, so I did all that. Ended up running it on the CNC machine and actually came up with the part that I was looking for. So in essence, all I have to do is take this, slide it onto here. It's a pretty doggone good fit. And now I've got thumb steer and trigger control, and I've even got a set screw, grub screw, to be able to tighten that down. But it's such a good fit, and the tolerances are so tight, it fits on there perfect to where I don't even need it. But I'm going to go ahead and throw some tung oil on that thing, and it's going to be real pretty. And now that need is filled. Just wanted to share it.